dami nating players.
Teka, ba't mo sila kilala? Teka. Ini-stalk mo sila, no?
No!
We, umamin ka, umamin ka.
No, Gab, nako. Watch this and you'll see, nako.
I'm a part of University of Santo Tomas Taekwondo Genes. Yung matututunan mo sa Taekwondo, applicable siya sa buhay mo talaga. I already got 50 gold medal, 10 silvers, and 16 bronzes. Actually, yung USD, 5 feet na po siya sa UAAP till season 69. This coming season, sana po manalo ulit.
Oh, I see. So, ini-stalk mo nga sila, no? Tanungin nga kita, saan nga ulit team sila nang galing?
USD Taekwondo team.
Oh, see? Nang-i-stalk ka nga!
Ay, nako. Napaka-generic kaya ng tanong mo. Malamang alam ko yun.
Oh, napikon. Dapat sa show na to, hindi ka pikon. Dapat sports ka. Kung saan magtatry ang isang athlete ng isang different sport.
Let's see if our featured player can handle the switch. Alam naman nating si B-Boy ay magaling sa Taekwondo, di ba? UAP champion nga for 5 consecutive years ang USD Taekwondo team, di ba? Pero,
Face veil, beaded belt over skirt, well, that's belly dancing. For the next minutes, ito at ito ang pagkakaabalahan ni Beeps. Hey, good day mga kabarkada! Time first muna! Did you know that belly dancing, French called it La Danse du Ventre, while Arab called it Belendi? During the Chicago World's Fair in 1893, it was introduced in US by a dancer named Lil Egypt. It was called belly dance because it's focused on the abdomen and hips. Excuse me, saan galing yun?
This is RV Antonio from the University of Santo Tomas Taekwondo Genes.
Uy, hello.
Hello.
Hello, balita ako. Gusto mo daw matuto ng belly dancing, ah. Kaya dito
oo
ako,
nga.
turuan kita.
Sige nga.
Gusto mo ba? Ano?
Sige na nga.
O, sige. First, kailangan natin ng proper posture. So, yung chest mo, kailangan chest out.
Chest out.
Yan. Ganyan. Chest out.
Okay.
And then, stomach in. Pero huwag mo pipigilan yung hininga mo, ah. And then, yung shoulders mo, pulled back. Pero, kailangan dun lang sa pinaka-comfortable na position. And then, ang first natin gagawin is yung basic walk. So, yung right foot muna forward. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, yung next, hip swing. Swing mo yung, yung hips mo from side to side. So, magpa-pass through siya sa center. So, 1,
Patay tayo dyan.
3, 4.
Paano mo?
Ulit. Diretso lang.
Kaya
Look straight
napipilitan
lang. Look
lang.
straight. Tapos, chin up.
Okay.
Smile. Swing mo lang yung hips mo. Go. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
huwag mo pa karami.
7,
7, 8.
Ngayon, kukombine natin yung basic walk tsaka yung hip swings. 1,
Combination pala siya.
4.
4.
Next step, sa rib slides. Yung kamay mo, parallel lang. And then, forward, side, back, side lang. So, forward, side, back, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next step, hip circles. Ganun pa rin. Front,
Front,
side,
side,
back,
back,
side,
side,
front,
front,
side,
side,
back,
back,
side. And then we'll do circles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, try natin yung hip lift saka hip drop. So, nakataas yung kamay, yung right. So, medyo taas pa ng konti. And then, medyo may tension sa left. Left foot forward. Ang hip lift, up. 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 Gawin naman natin, hip drop. And drop. 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 Tawag dito, undulations. So, yung left foot mo, forward ulit. Forward ulit. And then, chest mo, move forward as you can. So, forward, tap, contract. Forward, tap, contract. So, faster. Forward, tap, contract. Forward, tap, contract. Next natin, yung shimmy. So, ano lang yan, straight ng right, straight mo. Pero wag mong i-lock yung knees mo.
Yeah.
Then, straight yung left. Straight right. Straight left. Pero nagsiswing yung hips mo. Tapos pwede rin tayong umikot. 1, 2, 3, ikot. 4. Next natin, spinal sway. So, drop to your knees pa rin. Pero yung pinaka-comfortable na position mo. And then, chest up.
Okay.
Chest up. And then, stomach in. Shoulders, ganun pa rin. Pull back. Tapos, look straight ahead and then smile. And then, yung fingers mo, para dito sa sides mo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Cambot, close. And then, kabila naman, left. Left, cambot, close. So, pwedeng double-double. Yan. Si B-Boy, I think he has done a very great job. He has the confidence, he has the smile, the posture. I think he just have to improve more dun sa mga steps. As a beginner, I think he has a lot to improve. Marami siyang potentials. Belly dancing naman is a fun and sexy type of dance. So, anyone of all ages can learn that. Kahit matanda, bata, even mga lalaki, kaya nilang aralin yung belly dancing.
Nung una ko pong nalaman na susubukan ko yung mag-belly dancing, na shock nga po ako. Kala ko po kasi nagbibiro lang yung mga teammates ko nung una. Kasi po sila po yung unang nasabihan eh. May kumausap po sa akin na meron nga pong shooting na ganito. Nag-alanganin po ako kasi ang nasa isip ko po, sasayaw akong naka-bra tsaka yung mahabang palda.
Yes, B-Boy. Change of sport na ba?
Siguro hindi ko ambitioning pumasok pa sa kind of sports like that kasi hindi ko talent yung ganong pagsasayaw. Maybe after 10 years when I have my daughter already, siguro enroll ko siya kasi maganda siya sa girl actually eh.
Time first ulit. Alam niyo ba na dancing wouldn't be dancing without music? And in belly dancing, music is the soul of this art. At in 1 hour, 250 to 300 calories ang nababurn nitong fats. That's like isang instant noodles. Man, isang instant noodles.
Well, tama na muna time for Well ngayon, ikaw si Beyonce, ako si Shakira. Ito gusto ko.